वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो होने वाली है, बिकॉज मैं यहां पे बताने वाला हूं एमबीए के जो पर्टिनेंट क्वेश्चंस है उसका जवाब कैसे दो। तो मैं एक सिमुलेशन क्रिएट करने वाला हूं। आप मान लो एक रियल लाइफ इंटरव्यू में चले गए, 4 सेक्शंस होते हैं जिससे आपको क्वेश्चंस पूछा जा सकता है। वन इज ऑल अबाउट योरसेल्फ। मैं बोलता हूं ये सेक्शन के बारे में आपको सब कुछ मालूम होना चाहिए। बेसिकली व्हाटएवर यू मेंशन इन योर इंट्रोडक्शन, व्हाटएवर यू मेंशन इन योर statement of purpose, whatever you mention in your overall curriculum vitae if you have submitted any or during your application, आपका work experience, आपका educational qualification, आपका class 10 12 basic physics, basic maths, basic statistics, probability, permutation, combination, mechanics, सारी चीजें plus your work experience about your company entirely inside out you should know. This is know about yourself section. You should be well accustomed with it. Second pillar if I have to talk about is going to be the general knowledge section. वो आपको करंट अफेयर, जनरल नॉलेज, जियोपॉलिटिकल न्यूज ये सब के बारे में अच्छे से पता होना चाहिए। थर्ड सेक्शन जिसके बारे में हम पर्टिनेंटली एक टॉपिक के बारे में, एक सेक्शन के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं टुडे, दैट इज the general HR questions, the typical HR questions in an MBA interview, which includes 3 predominant questions which are very very important, and I am going to talk about 3 predominant questions, those 3 and how to answer them, and I am going to simulate the interview for you, how they are going to ask it, what they are going to ask and how you can defend it well enough. So मैं बात करने वाला हूं इस सेक्शन के बारे में जिसको कहते हैं the typical HR questions in MBA, and fourth is your body language कि आप कैसे बात करते हो। ये सारे सेक्शंस के बारे में हम इंडिविजुअली बात करेंगे, बट आज बात करेंगे why MBA के बारे में। Yes, a very very popular question in the general HR questions in MBA is why MBA, why not upskilling, and why not continue in your current job, why did you decide to switch to an MBA। very very important section, छोटी वीडियो होने वाली है, प्रिसाइज वीडियो होने वाली है। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना, बट बिफोर दैट, बिफोर गोइंग इनटू द टॉपिक, अगर आप 1-to-1 जानना चाहते हो कि आपके प्रोफाइल के हिसाब से, आपके एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड के हिसाब से, आपके वर्क एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से कि कौन सा आंसर परफेक्टली सूटेड होगा ताकि इंटरव्यूअर्स कन्विंस हो जाए कि यू आर द राइट कैंडिडेट फॉर MBA, देन गो एंड बुक अ 1-to-1 सेशन विद मी वेयर आई विल टेल यू just with 29 rupees what to answer in an interview। 29, 59 and 99 के sessions available है, 15 minutes, 30 minutes and 45 minutes consecutively। book your session today and talk with me 1-to-1 personally to curate why MBA answer for yourself। अब जेनेरिक आंसर में चले जाते हैं, why MBA, why not upskilling and why not continue in the current job। तो देखिए यहां पे ना सिंपल सा आंसर है यार, सिंपल 2-fold आंसर है। आपको इंटरव्यूअर को कन्विंस करना है कि आप वहां पे एमबीए में एग्जिट ऑप्शन की तरह नहीं जा रहे हो। मैं बार बार दूसरे वीडियोस में भी ये बोला है, अगर आप ये बता देते हो कि यहां पे मैं जॉब स्विच के लिए आ रहा हूं या आ रही हूं, या मैं सैलरी हाइक के लिए आ रहा हूं या आ रही हूं, देन ऑब्वियसली दे विल नॉट लाइक दैट आंसर। यू हैव टू गिव देन आंसर जो उनको पसंद आए, which they want to hear। They want candidates who are genuinely interested about learning। Yes, bold this word, learning। तो एक नॉर्मल इंटरव्यू सिम्युलेट कैसे होगा? सपोज आई एम द इंटरव्यूअर एंड हियर इज द इंटरव्यूई, सो आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क द इंटरव्यूई, यार all good, all okay, your profile seems to be kind of, it seems to be that you are doing good in your current job, what brings you here, why MBA, why do you want to do MBA, why not continue in the current job। very very important question। यहां पे ये क्वेश्चन जो है लीडिंग क्वेश्चन है। लीडिंग क्वेश्चन क्यों? क्योंकि वो आपको बोल रहे हैं कि आपके करंट जॉब में तो आप अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हो, आपके करंट जॉब में तो आपको लर्निंग भी मिल रही है, आपको एक्सपर्टीज भी डेवलप हो गई है, आप उन सबको छोड़ के 2 ईयर का करियर ब्रेक लेके MBA क्यों करना चाहते हो। वेरी प्रिसाइज क्वेश्चन, वेरी लीडिंग क्वेश्चन। वहां पे आपको एक क्लोजर दे रहे हैं वो कि आपको MBA नहीं करना चाहिए, आपको अपने करंट जॉब में कंटिन्यू करना चाहिए। सिमिलरली दिस क्वेश्चन कैन हैव मल्टीपल वर्जन्स, लाइक इंटरव्यूअर कैन आस्क I feel that what you are doing currently, you are gathering a lot of learning in that, and you have been talking about learning lately a lot, so if you are learning a skill over the last 2 years in your current job, why do you at all want to do MBA? Just stay where you are and learn the best out of it, and why everyone needs to do an MBA? You can just learn what you are learning and be the best at it. Why do you want to waste your 2 years of experience? The third version of this question is about upskilling। वो क्या पूछ सकते हैं? Yeah, I understand that you want to do an MBA, that is well understood, but you can also parallelly while doing your job, you can upskill yourself। There are a lot of courses available on YouTube itself which you can utilize to upskill yourself and learn bits and pieces of MBA and almost the full course. Why do you need a professional guidance for it? Why do you want to spend 26 lakhs to do an MBA? Very, very pertinent question. All of these are very leading questions, very closure वाले questions and very, very intriguing questions कि वो आपको intrigue कर रहे कि बॉस MBA आपके लिए नहीं है, बट आपको वहां पे ऐसा जवाब देना है जो तीनों क्वेश्चंस को सेट कर दे एंड इंटरव्यूअर्स को ये क्लियर पर्सपेक्टिव दे दे कि यू आर हियर टू डू एमबीए एंड यू आर हियर नॉट फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ अ जोक. तो फर्स्ट चीज आपको क्या करनी है, आपको ये बोलना है कि करंट जॉब में मैं ग्रो कर रहा हूं. करंट जॉब को क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करना है. आई एम टेलिंग अगेन एंड अगेन, नो मैटर हाउ बैड इट इज, you cannot tell the interviewer that you are not enjoying there, you are not liking your current job. You have to say that I like my current job but I find more interest इन बिजनेस. तो आपको पहले वाला क्वेश्चन या सेकंड वाला क्वेश्चन जहां पे एक एलिमेंट आ जाता है कि आपके करंट वर्क एक्सपीरियंस में आपकी जो लर्निंग है उसको आप क्यों नहीं कंटिन्यू करना चाहते हो, आपको ये बोलना है कि सर और मैम, आई थिंक आई हैव हैड इनफ एक्सपोजर and I've learned quite a bit. I want to explore more facets of business. What intrigued me during my 2.5 years of experience, अगर आपके पास experience नहीं है तो यहाँ पे आप दूसरी चीज बोल सकते हो, during my college education or during my interaction with my seniors or my peers, is that I have a keen interest in the other facets of business. I'm not only wanting a particular specialization per se, but I'm looking towards how the business happens. How does finance, how does supply chain, how does marketing, how does HR, how does operations all together come to make a business happen, to make a magic happen. And it is not magic. I want to understand that, and that is why I feel MBA is going to give me that base level understanding of how a business happens. I want to be into the business side of things and want to create business and create wealth through business. That's why I am here. So आपने क्या बोला कि आपकी करंट लर्निंग बहुत अच्छी है, बट आप उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहते हो या आप उसको ऐड करना चाहते हो विद द एक्स्ट्रा बिट ऑफ लर्निंग थ्रू योर MBA कोर्स व्हिच गिव्स यू मल्टीपल फैसेट्स ऑफ बिजनेस. Obviously, next question or the third question that the interviewer asked, why not upskill? Why do you want to do a proper full-fledged MBA with a 26 lakh rupees? Here, another very, very interesting answer that you can give is, sir or ma'am, I believe it's not about the formal education only that is available readily in YouTube, and I'm not here just for the degree, but for the overall peer-to-peer learning, the overall environment of the college, which gives a holistic environment where business is being talked about day in and day out, and we interact with so many bright minds of the country. We learn from the best professors, and our mind gets open in the process, which sitting in my home, I don't have a nudge other than my intrinsic motivation to go and listen to a YouTube lecture. It cannot be interactive because I can ask only questions in comment section. It cannot be a peer-to-peer learning because I don't know what others are doing. It cannot be a regular session of continuous discussion about business over a period of time, 2 years, where we only discuss business and how businesses are done and the case studies around it. Yeah, I have the intrinsic motivation to do all of that, but definitely a peer group and a holistic environment where all of this is being practiced professionally will always help. And that's why I want to do an MBA instead of upskilling on YouTube. Though the lectures are superb. यहां पे आपने क्या किया, आपने करंट एग्जिस्टिंग सिस्टम की तारीफ करी, उसके लर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज को अप्रिशिएट करा और फिर बोला कि आप MBA क्यों करना चाहते हो, क्योंकि आपको एक होलिस्टिक एनवायरनमेंट चाहिए, एक पीयर टू पीयर लर्निंग चाहिए जो शायद आपको एक YouTube कोचिंग क्लास नहीं दे सकता. एक इंटरैक्टिव जोन चाहिए जहां पे आप बेस्ट माइंड्स ऑफ द कंट्री से बात कर पाओ. यहां पे आपने अपने पीयर्स को भी अप्रिशिएट किया, यहां पे आपने लर्निंग स्ट्रक्चर को भी अप्रिशिएट किया, यहां पे अपने प्रोफेसर्स को भी अप्रिशिएट किया. दिस इज द बेस्ट आंसर दैट यू कैन गिव एंड दैट विल क्लैरिफाई द डाउट्स इन द माइंड ऑफ द पर्सन. Obvious counter, upskilling, current job पे learning को छोड़ के, is MBA an exit option for you? You have to say a no and you have to justify why a no. I am not looking, sir or ma'am, I am not looking for an exit option. I am not seeing MBA as an opportunity to increase my salary. I am looking at MBA as an opportunity to learn about business and make myself capable enough so that if I go to the market tomorrow, I earn the worth where I can find a job and I can deliver on the job and I can create business and wealth for the company that I am working with, or I can create business or wealth for myself by setting up my own company. I want to make myself equipped enough and capable enough to do that. That's what you should focus on. The learning aspect, the capability aspect, the overall building aspect, not the job aspect, the company switch aspect, which 99% of the people are actually aiming for. And they cannot justify in the interview that they are not there for a switch or an exit option. Particularly happens with the people who have high gap years, जो यूपीएससी की तैयारी कर रहे थे, गवर्नमेंट जॉब की तैयारी कर रहे थे, सडनली एमबीए में जब आप बैठते हो इंटरव्यू में, वेरी वेरी पर्टिनेंट क्वेश्चन कि आप उसकी तैयारी करते करते इधर कैसे आ गए. आपको एक स्टोरी बनानी पड़ेगी. इवन इफ यू डू नॉट हैव अ मोटिवेशन स्टोरी, जस्ट मेक अ स्टोरी एंड कन्विंस देम दैट यू हैव बीन फैसिनेटेड अबाउट बिजनेस व्हाइल यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग. यू सॉ सम अंकल, सम पापा, मामा, चाचा को देख के इंस्पायर हो गई कि बिजनेस कैसे होता है, एंड सीम वेरी इंट्रीग्ड, वेरी इंटरेस्टेड, सीम वेरी very enthusiastic about it, and just convey that you are there to learn business and how it is done. If you do that, they will not be able to reject you. So you have got the answer of why MBA. You have to prove the learning aspect of it. You have got the answer why not the current job. It's about upskilling yourself, about being into a peer group, and lastly you have answered the question that why not upskilling yourself through YouTube lectures, because of the physical environment and the kind of peer-to-peer learning and the interactive sessions and the discussions that you have day in, day out in an MBA college. Last question that they can ask is, do you feel MBA is worth the money? Again, the learning aspect, the skill development and the capability development part, that I am developing my capabilities, developing my skill. I feel every penny that I invest, if I can make the full out of it by learning something, it is invaluable. I do not associate learning with money. No matter how much I have to pay, at the end of the day, if I am coming out as a much better human being, which I believe I will after doing MBA, it is all worth. That's the kind of answer you need to give with confidence, and you are through. That is all that you need to do. So this is one segment of the HR questions. I am going to distribute each individual segment, and I'm going to answer all of those questions. How to answer about yourself, what to learn in general knowledge, what to learn in current affairs, how to develop a body language and interactive mindset, how to give crisp and tight answers to HR questions like this. We will keep on bringing on this channel till the interview sessions go on in IIMs and IITs. We are there with you. If you like the content, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel and hits the bell icon for regular updates. यार इतना मेहनत कर रहे हैं, 10,000 subscribers भी हो गए हैं. All thanks to you people. We are eyeing towards more big numbers, but more than numbers, what matters are the people. And this is not a bluff, by the way. So that is it from my side for today. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a good day.